Today we are going to talk about 3-element boiler drum level controller. First of all, let us try to understand what are the 3 elements. Why it is called 3-element controller. In the 3-element controller, you are having the drum level signal, then you are having the steam flow signal as the feed forward signal, and then you are having feed water flow signal which acts as the feedback signal. So you can see that you have got 3 transmitters which are giving 3 signals. So that's why it is called 3-element controller. So first we have to understand that there is a feed water flow controller. In this feed water flow controller, you are having steam flow as a feed forward signal, and it is acting as the set point for this feed water flow controller. So as the steam flow increases, feed water control valve final operator will increase the feed flow, and this feed water flow signal shall come as a feedback signal. So this controller will try to balance the steam flow and feed flow. So if they are balanced, your drum level should maintain constant. But as you know, level control is never a self-regulating control. Slight mismatch between steam flow and feed flow shall lead to either continuous increase of the drum level signal or continuous decrease of the drum level signal. So to avoid this situation, you all have to have a drum level controller which is giving as a trim signal to this steam flow signal. So steam flow plus the trim signal goes to the feed water controller, and the feed flow is being regulated in such a manner that the drum level is being maintained. So this way drum level is being maintained without the effect of swell and shrink, because as per our requirement we require that as the steam flow increases, feed flow should increase. So this is being achieved here. So what we have told is being explained, and it is in your front as a slide, and you can note down from this slide to make your own notes. So we shall go through the slides very slowly so that you can note down. So this is the explanation, slide 2. If you want to note something, please note it, and then you are having a explanation, slide 3, and then we reach to the conclusion. 3-element boiler drum level controller is adequate to solve the problem caused by swell and shrink. It achieves the desired control action, that is increase in feed flow with increase in steam flow, and decrease of feed flow with decrease in steam flow. So we come to the next slide, that is the salient features of this lecture series. If you want to note down something, you have to press the pause button. If you want to play the lecture, you have to press the play button. And of course This lecture series is useful to the thermal power plant engineers. This is myself and this is my email address. You can always send your suggestions and feedback to this email address. And finally, thank you.